Hi guys, Christian here from Level Partner. Today I'm going to show you something that we did for a client a couple of days ago. Approximately 6 days to do this delivery, and it contains a homepage, a PDF extractor that sends information from the PDF into GHL with a webhook and a workflow that extract all the information and put it into those fields where we want it. In this case, to create a pipeline for an appraisal company that receives order forms from different banks. So this order form comes in, and before they had this, they were copy and pasting information from these PDFs into their Excel sheets that was separated in different folders. So the subcontractors couldn't see a record regarding an appraisal on a specific address, and another subcontractor supposed to work on another address should not be able to see the other appraisal forms from the bank. So not a very good way to keep track of numbers and see total value on the amount of forms they've received, etc. So we created a support system to make this easier, and so you can use the dashboard in GHL basically to see your KPIs and your potential earnings and prognostics, etc. So follow along and I'll show you what it looks like. Here we have the extractor with an upload of any kind here that they got from the bank. It's from different banks, so these PDFs looks totally different, but when we extract the information, we know we have the information in text that we need, and from that text we extract. So if we click extract text here, you see we get a lot of information here from the PDF, and we ship that off to workflow by clicking this button. I'm going to show you in a way how I did this too. This is done with ChatGPT just by simply asking it to make a PDF extractor where I can upload a PDF and extract the text and send it off to webhook. I've then started a workflow in GHL with the incoming webhook as trigger, and I use that address in the source code that I got from GPT, and I published that on a web page in GHL. As you can see, this is the preview link. It's still not live. So now we've shipped it off to the workflow. We want to go in the workflow just to show you how it looks like. So we check the enrollment history here. We should see that we have something in progress here. And as you can see here, we can see that it's a GPT working on getting all types of different information, and now it created an opportunity. It assigned the person that is supposed to take care of this appraisal, and it ships it off to the right pipeline. So it looks like this. We have the inbound webhook here, where we get the text here in one long row. We then have a prompt in each of these steps, where we basically say that your job is to extract information. This is how the information is going to look like. Here's example of a couple of different forms, and here is the incoming text that you now should process and reply. We tell it to only reply what we're asking for in each step. You can see that here: loan number, address line 1, address line 2, find city, and so forth, until we reach the end here where we assign the user and create a row in a spreadsheet, and we create the opportunity in pipeline. Pipeline looks like this. Comes in this particular case, the most important information is what address the subcontractor should be able to see here, so they can visit it, and what bank it came from, and how much they earn if they complete the appraisal for the form they received. So that's the pipeline, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Then you will see your opportunity status, how much is in that pipeline, and how much are we converting, etc. Now to the extractor, this is simply the web page builder. This element here is a custom code element. If you go here, you can paste your code that you were given when you asked GPT to prompt this for you with the webhook. And as you can see here, I'll show you. Here you can see the URL to the webhook. So you just have to change that. By the way, if anybody wants a copy of the PDF extractor, just let me know and I'll go ahead and send this code to you. That's about it. We built a site to this particular client too, just a simple one-pager where you can register to become a client, and a GHL phone number which we can track. So pretty straightforward, approximately 6-hour job, Super happy client. 7,500 euro subscription a year from this particular client, and we're charging the hours as well. So super happy client, super smooth delivery, quick, efficient. Absolutely love GHL that you can do this stuff so quick with no code, and you see the or low code. The code that we saw there in the workflow is basically all written by ChatGPT. That's no coding skills from my end. It's just pasting the code into GHL site editor. That's it. I hope you get some ideas out of this and that you can solve some pain points on your clients after watching this, and see you again soon.